4 steps to whiten yellow teeth and remove plaque and tartar buildup. If you are into natural products and beauty treatments, this is the right recipe for you. Yellow teeth are the grossest thing when it comes to physical appearance, and some would try even the impossible to solve their aesthetic problem. Well, the first and best thing you should probably do is go visit your dentist. However, if you don't have time, you can also effectively eliminate the tartar at your home. You will need antiseptic mouthwash, baking soda, salt, water, cup, dental pick, toothbrush, hydrogen peroxide. Baking soda is the most used and beneficial and ingredients when it comes to removing plaque. 4 steps to do this procedure at home. 1. Mix half a teaspoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of baking soda. You should use warm water in order to wet the toothbrush. Dip the toothbrush into the mixture and scrub your teeth for 5 minutes. Then, just spit. 2. Mix 1 full cup of hydrogen peroxide with half a cup of warm water. Use this mixture to rinse your mouth for 1 minute, then spit. Make sure to wash off with cold water. 3. Rub the yellow tartar with a dental pick. Make sure not to scrape the gums because it can lead to damage and irritation. 4. Rinse your mouth with antiseptic mouthwash. Repeat this procedure every second day. Additional advice for better smile. Floss your teeth regularly. Every night, before going to sleep, you should rub your teeth with orange peel. The orange peel can fight bacteria, so make sure not to wash it off. Always use a soft toothbrush and brush your teeth by doing vertical movements. Be careful with the space between your teeth and gums. Spicy food stimulates the salivary glands. So, by consuming spicy food you will be able to effectively clean your mouth from saliva. Foods for better and improved smile. Cheese. The Swiss cheese and cheddar neutralize the acids responsible for the plaque. It is recommended to eat the cheese before meals. The agate cheese contains an ingredient that can work as a barrier agent. Strawberries and tomatoes. Strawberries and tomatoes are very beneficial for your oral health due to their rich content of vitamin C. Put them in your mouth and let them stay for 5 minutes. This will soften the accumulated tartar. Then, you should wash off your mouth with baking soda and warm water. Other foods rich in vitamin C include papaya, orange, lemons, berries, bell peppers, and lime.